about 4:45. I mean, this looks incredible, but this is even better. The sun is about 15 minutes, 20 minutes off breaking. There are a fair few people here, which I didn't expect, but it's so nice. Everyone's so quiet, it's peaceful. Got a lovely composition on the camera, leading up to the trig point, over the Hope Valley, up to the sunset. If you can do this, do it. It is stunning, absolutely stunning. It's worth the early morning 2 AM wake up call. So I've changed position from the top to where the trig point is, because just over that hill there's about 50 people, so everyone's in the way of the shot, which is fair enough. They're here for the sunrise, which is now risen, and it looks spectacular. We've still got the cloud inversion. Look at the colour of that sky, wow. Wow, it's been about 10 minutes and already the scene has changed completely. We've got this low cloud coming over. We've got this inversion starting to come up the hill, and look, it's all blocking out the sun. Still so nice. It's still so good, but no good for photos. It's a bit too misty over here. We're going to go over towards Winnats Pass over here, see what we can see, because hopefully the sun will burn this cloud off. It's promised a bright, shiny day. So we've made it over to Winnats Pass. We've come from over there, that peak there, and look at this business coming. Absolutely stunning. The clouds have cleared around us, leaving the inversion down the pass itself. It's stunning, amazing. Are you ready for this? I've got the camera set up. I'm going to go from the ground up. This is awesome. Just wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Peak District, Britain, UK. Nothing more to say, is there? This is a bit of a run and gun day, a run and gun vlog, but this is what landscape's all about. Nothing's ever the same from 1 minute to the next. It's exciting and it keeps you good. Not sure there's enough photographers around here. And I think it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like. And I hope to see you very soon in the next one. Bye.